Mary, stop. I gave the wrong medication to the patient in room 4.
What? Which medication?
I gave ibuprofen, but the chart says no ibuprofen. She is allergic.
Oh no. When did you give it?
5 minutes ago. Maybe 10.
Okay, don't panic. Did she take it?
I don't know. I need to check.
Go now. I call the doctor.
Wait, what do I say to her?
Say, I am sorry. I made a mistake. Please do not take that pill.
Okay, I can do this.
Go, John, fast.
Excuse me, I am so sorry to bother you.
John, what did she say?
She did not take it. The pill is still on the table. Thank you, God.
Good. Give me the pill. I take it back to the pharmacy.
Mary, I am so sorry. This was my mistake.
John, listen. Mistakes happen. The important thing, you acted fast.
I was so scared.
I know, but you did the right thing. You came to me immediately.
What do I do now?
We write an incident report. We document everything.
Incident report? What is that?
It is a form. We write what happened, what time, what medication, what action we took.
Do I write my name?
Yes, always. It shows you are responsible. It shows you care.
Will I lose my job?
No, you fixed the mistake before it caused harm. That is what matters.
Okay, I understand.
Next time, always check the chart before you give medication 2 times.
2 times. I will remember.
Check the patient name, check the medication name, check for allergies.
Name, medication, allergies. 3 checks.
Exactly. Every time, no exceptions.
Thank you, Mary. You were very calm.
I was not calm inside, but you needed help, so I helped.
I learned a lot today.
Good. Now, let's write that report together.
Yes. And Mary, thank you. Really.
That is what a team is for, John.